Hello. In this video, I'm going to give you an update on this channel and where it is headed. So work was tense last few months, so I couldn't record any videos and I was really busy. But I think I have reached the moment that I can continue my channel and my content and put some more, invest some more time into my channel. So previously we had two active projects. We had cpu.zig and we had the Loki compiler. We will continue these projects, but in new formats. So first of all, let me tell you something about the videos. So previously my videos were completely unedited videos. So I didn't edit videos at all. I just record using OBS and that's it. And since then I've tried to um, I didn't actually try anything. I'm now trying to make better and more quality videos that are probably edited, and I also have I think I have better OBS setup now, so I can have myself here. I have transparent background and everything. And I try to make my videos edited. So for example, if I'm stuck in a problem, I will not stop the video record and start another video record maybe a few hours later and upload it as a separate video. I'm gonna edit these videos and put them together. Um, so for the people who are watching, I think this would um, create a better experience. What about the projects? So cpu.zig, I will rewrite this project and continue it. We actually didn't achieve that much in this project. So I will continue this project in Rust, because in last few months, I have been playing with Rust, Zig, other languages, and I actually found out that I want to invest most of my time in Rust, because Rust is great and it's probably the best language you can invest time on in nowadays. Maybe another language comes that is better, but for now I think it's the best language out there if you want to invest time in. And also the industry, the companies, the amount of jobs, it's really skyrocketing. Not the same as Python or Go or C# or Java, but it's actually really niche, and it's getting a lot of attention. It's getting a lot of good updates. So I will try to invest my time in Rust. So I will rewrite this cpu.zig in Rust because it's more suitable than Zig for my development life. Loki compiler will also be refactored with lessons I have learned with writing multiple parsers for my work as fun in different languages, and I have basically created my own pattern of creating lexers and parsers and compiler front ends. I have implemented compilers in not compilers, full compilers, just parsers in Go, in Zig, in C++, and I think I have found my own pattern of doing this. I also have read this amazing book, Writing an Interpreter in Go, which is amazing, and I actually suggest that you read that too if you are interested in compilers and interpreters and programming languages in general. Also, the Go backend will become the priority instead of the C backend of the Loki, because after a lot of thinking, I thought if I want to demonstrate the features and the powers of this language and how the features can help developers write better software, or at least make my life easier if I can use it at work, which I don't think so, but I will try. I think generating Go code and using Go platform and runtime is a better choice than using C, because we can demonstrate easily, not that C cannot demonstrate web servers or concurrent applications, but it's really simpler if you use Go as your target code gen. After Go, if everything is good, we probably can go to generating LLVMIR, as it was the plan. But for now, we just focus on the Go backend. There's also another project, a new project, which I will not start right now, but it's in my mind. I have written some um, maybe documents or just my thinkings and my ideas, and it will be our next project. So it's called Jasmine. Jasmine is a modal, simple and yet fast text editor with ideas taken from Vim and Helix, but tries to be crafted for programming, not text editing. So the problem, and I will elaborate more on this on a separate video about this project, but to give you a summary, um, nowadays our text editors, imagine this is VS Code, okay? This is VS Code. We have Helix, we have Vim, we have Emacs, and we have IntelliJ IDEA and their family of tools, which are great. They are all when they are creating their editing shortcuts, they all say, okay, if you want to jump by word, for example, in Vim, if you want to jump by word, you say W. You press W and you go jump by word. Let me just run Keycaster program. Okay, so now it's okay. Hopefully this would, yes, you can now see my keys down here, which is good. I don't know, maybe, yes, that I think that's good. Can I move this? Yes, cool. So I put this in here. For example, in Vim, you can jump by word. You can go back by word. You can go line by line, or you can go even by paragraph if you want. But I think actually this should not be the default behavior. This should not be the idea of the key binding you are creating, jumping by word. That doesn't mean anything. Words don't mean anything in programming. And I think we should create editors with shortcuts and features based on programming languages, semantics, and parsing units. And if we are not using a programming language, or we are not editing a programming language source code, we should fall back to having words and paragraphs and lines. But by default, the keys should be more designed to be more compatible with programming. So for example, you should be able to jump by expression, or maybe jump by token. That's actually more reasonable in terms of a programming language. So for example, imagine you have a string in here. If you jump by word, hello world, this is a new text. So if you jump by word, you go back by word. But most of the times you actually don't want to edit this string. You just want to jump from it. I know there are features in Vim, in Emacs, that allow this, probably in Helix, I don't know. But I think this should become the first citizen. So the first citizen of editing, or how we should edit text, should be using language parsed units. And if there's no such, there's no syntax for that language, we can fall back to having words and everything. I have other ideas about this editor, which I will elaborate more on a separate video. So this was a quick video. I just wanted to give you an update, and hopefully we can start working with start working on our projects again. I will probably start with Loki, and I will write a new lecture and a new parser. I don't know, maybe we can actually rename the project. I don't know. No, I actually like the name, and I like the to have the history of Git. I don't want to create a new repository. So yeah, so we will start with the Loki compiler. That is it. If you like my content, and I hope that I can create and produce more content from now on, and maybe even in a more scheduled way, so maybe 1 video or 2 video every week. Please subscribe to my channel and do the alert thing, so the YouTube will notify you when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, goodbye.